Check out this retro keyboard unboxing of vintage digital LK201 keyboards from the 1980s. These classic DEC terminals were originally used at telecom research labs and are finally back in my hands after years of storage. Out of the 9 keyboards, one's missing a spacebar, another is missing a couple of keys, and there's a rare beige unmarked keyboard that appears very unique. This specific batch includes the LK201AA and LK201AZ models. They're untested for now, but each one is a piece of vintage computer history once connected to DEC terminals like the legendary VT220. These are incredibly rare to find, especially in this condition, and as a lot, it's unlikely we'll see this many together ever again.